a revamped and expanded breakdown of the latest DJI Mini 5 Pro buzz, with fresh keywords, reorganized flow, and new details for better SEO traction. Overview, big upgrades, bigger questions. DJI's impending Mini 5 Pro is stirring both excitement and debate, thanks to its rumored upgrades, longer battery life, improved transmission, LiDAR obstacle avoidance, propeller guards, and possible retention of the under 250G class, but not without concerns. So, let's dive in. Weight and regulation. Attention. 256G with plus battery. Leaked FCC info and online chatter suggest the drone will tip the scales around 256G with the high-capacity battery, putting it beyond the crucial 250-gram limit that grants drone operators regulatory freedom in many regions. 2 battery options. Expect DJI to use a split strategy again. A standard battery keeps it under 249G, appealing to casual flyers. A plus battery boosts flight duration but bumps the weight over the threshold, necessitating registration in regulated countries. This battery weight divide creates a strategic choice: legal convenience versus maximum airtime. Battery life. Aerial Endurance reinvented 33.5 Wh intelligent flight battery, up from the Mini 4 Pro's 18.9 Wh, roughly a 75% boost. 53-minute lab time, 45-minute real-world. Leaks/rumors mention a 53-minute maximum in ideal conditions, and around 45 minutes when recording 4K at 30 frames per second, versus the current model's 35-minute standard and 45-minute plus estimate. Note of caution. Some warnings cite as little as 5 minutes under harsh test conditions, likely extreme stress, not typical flight. Result: significantly longer flight windows for creators, videographers, and aerial photographers. Transmission and connectivity. OQSYNYNC04 Plus system could deliver up to 25 kilometers of range, a leap over previous models. Wi-Fi 6 support promises 62% fewer dropped data packets on 5 GHz, leading to stable video feeds in signal-dense environments and urban zones. Revamped radio/antenna. FCC filings reveal a more complex multi-band communication setup, designed to enhance long-range connectivity while staying within weight limits. LiDAR and obstacle avoidance. Pro-level safety. Category 1 compliance. Leaks hint at omnidirectional sensors, front LiDAR units, and propeller guards, potentially enabling hazard-aware flight over people without waivers. Propeller guards, seen in leaked prototype images, likely detachable to maintain portability. Vented motors, expected to offer better wind resistance and possibly reduce weight through improved thermal efficiency. Camera, gimbal and imaging. Speculations. 1 CMOS sensor upgrade, moving up from the Mini 4 Pro's 1/1.3 sensor, promising improved low-light performance, dynamic range, and clearer footage. Exposed gimbal arms, protective propeller cage design seen in leaks, camera mounting. Echoing DJI flip styling potential for HDR/4K 60 FPS and zoom. Most chatter centers on still/video enhancements and improved picture quality. No confirmed multi-camera or zoom yet. Launch date and market context. September 2025 target. Drone XL and multiple leakers report an official release window around September, though some suggest an earlier debut in early August. Verdict. Who is it for? Content creators and pros, those seeking extended flight times, enhanced imaging, and stable gear, while possibly registering the drone, will find the Mini 5 Pro compelling. Recreational flyers, if staying under 250G is a priority. The base battery version preserves simplicity, though key features like bigger battery, LiDAR, and guards might come with weight penalties. Current Mini 4 Pro owners could be a meaningful upgrade, especially around camera, safety, and video quality, but weigh the added weight and ecosystem changes. Final thoughts. The DJI Mini 5 Pro appears poised to push drone innovation forward, with a bigger sensor, LiDAR, propeller guards, vented motors, more flight time, and beefed-up transmission tech, all while juggling the sub-250G trade-off. However, prospective buyers need to weigh these gains against regulatory burdens, bulk trade-offs, and possible compatibility limitations. You'll need to decide: regulatory freedom with lighter flight or pro-level performance at a slight cost?